In Tripura, most of the markets in Agartala have opened up, but shopkeepers and vegetable vendors complain that as the flow of customers is less, the profit margin is less, and they are facing loss since working hours are being stipulated and less number of people are coming out of their houses, keeping in view of the strict policing in the capital city. In the Lake Chaumuhani market, which have been shifted in the Vivekananda Stadium for maintaining social distancing, civil defense volunteers were seen along with the police engaged in managing social distancing as asking vendors and customers to wear masks. Alpana Chakraborty, a team leader of the 10-member civil defense volunteer, expressed that the district administration has engaged them and most of the people were abiding the law and are aware about the precautions to be taken.
हम लोग तो डीएम से रिकमेंड हुआ हूँ, फिर यहाँ पे ड्यूटी हम लोगों को दिया हुआ है और जितना हो सके हम लोगों का डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना और लोगों को मास्क पहनने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ और मेंटेन हो रहा है, सब लोग मान रहे हैं, फिर भी कुछ नहीं मानती है। हम लोगों को देखना पड़ता है कौन मास्क नहीं लगाता है, कौन मेंटेन नहीं करना है, तो बोलने से होता है पर फिर भी चल रहा है अच्छी तरह।
While Madhusudan Devnath, government officials who came to purchase his week-long vegetables also expressed that people are abiding the guidelines announced by the government. He added that most of the people are wearing masks and the volunteers are doing a good work by asking the customers not to touch the vegetables and maintaining social distancing. Similar was the view of Murli Krishnan, a construction company worker who came for marketing. He informed that after the lockdown, his company's work has resumed and praised the state government and the people for abiding social distancing and wearing masks.
कुछ सेफ्टी मैनेजमेंट का पूरा अच्छे से हो रहा है। हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्शन फील्ड में काम करता हूँ। नहीं, अभी चालू हुआ है काम तो। अभी 2 दिन से चालू हुआ है।
तो लोगों का परिस्थिति क्या मास्क यूज कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, सब कुछ यूज कर रहे हैं जी।
While Rinku De, a young teacher, viewed that the people are abiding the law, but after the relaxation in lockdown, they are little confused as the government notification and police contradicts, and they are being harassed.
Overall scenario is good, but I think different people have different issues, you know. Like today we came for marketing, now they are saying we cannot touch the vegetables. But few policemen are saying that you cannot drive the car. But in papers we have seen that we can go, with the driver one can sit. So I don't think, different people have different things. So but few rules should be done and proper rules should be taken, you know.
Meantime, the response of the vegetable vendors is that the market is down and the profit is less, and even sometimes they are facing losses as customers are not turning out due to the lockdown despite relaxation to some extent. Krishna Shah, a vegetable vendor, view that he is making less profit compared to earlier, while Rashmita Zena, a cosmetic shopkeeper of Mizoram turned vegetable vendors, view that often she had to face loss as unsold vegetables perish, and moreover she is not getting any type of help from the government or NGO as she is not a resident of the state and do not have a ration card.
अभी हमारा क्रीम का दुकान बंद हो गया है, अभी सब्जी कर रहा है, सब्जी में आधा सर जाते हैं और एक दिन में 50 कभी-कभी 1 रुपया भी नहीं मिलती है। हम लोग मिजोरम का आदमी है, बहुत असुविधा में चल रहा है सर। खाने पीने में भी बहुत असुविधा है, सब लोग चावल तेल दाल सब मिलती है, बाकी हम लोग को नहीं मिलती है। रेशन कार्ड भी नहीं है, आधार कार्ड है और आइडेंटिटी कार्ड है। गांव में भी नहीं जा सकते, एक बच्चा भी है, मैंने पाला है। पहले तो जब क्रीम दुकान करते थे उस टाइम में हम देते थे, लैक्टोजिन देते 310 रुपये लेते हैं। अभी तो अमूल दूध देने के लिए भी नहीं है, मिश्री का पानी देती है।
Meanwhile, the relaxation of lockdown comes after India allows manufacturing and farming to start back up again in rural areas last week, a move designed to give millions of poor wage earners the ability to start making money again. India's lockdown was imposed on its 1.3 billion people with just 4 hours notice on March 24th. It was initially expected to last for 3 weeks but has since been extended till May 3rd. Bureau Report.